Okay, so we have visited a very influential person here, a mentor quite actually, and I'm only interested in learning his strategy today. I saw in his comment section someone requiring and asking about the unmatched pattern strategy. I'm sure you know who this person is, guys. So he's going to explain the unmatched pattern strategy under 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, so we are not going to waste time. I'm going to ask Captain Ray to switch on the lights and begin strategy right away. Thank you for the lighting. All right, so your board is not yet clear. Can you please clear? Some of us we have confusion when we see quite a lot of details. Please. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. So what are you going to give us? What are you going to give us before you go into detail?
Okay, so I'm going to be delivering the highly esteemed and meshed pattern, which most of you guys have been waiting for.
Is it profitable?
Highly profitable. Maybe I can rate it like 85 to 90% accurate.
That's good. That's good. That's very good. I know in Forex there's nothing such as 100%, but we can always give estimates. And I would want you, the watcher of this video, to also give the estimate percentage when you try it out. Okay, so I'm going to start the timer right now, or I'm going to allow Captain to click on the start himself. So when the timer hits, the bell rings and then the strategy comes to an end. So if he doesn't finish on time, that's his fault. I guess you can call him in the comment section for doing such unscrupulous behavior in the Forex industry. Okay, please click start. I can't wait for this to begin already. Sure, okay, let's go. Let's
get on with it. So most of you guys have heard of their head and shoulder strategy, I'm sure. And what you guys have been taught is that you have to connect the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, which is the inward part of that triangle. So we have our shoulder and we have our head, right? And most of you are looking for a neckline breakout, right? Whereby you're taking a short position, right? At that point, some wait for a retest, but some, they just take the trade soon after the breakout. But I'm here to teach you something different, right? Something different, which is known as the unmeshed pattern. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. So we have something like this. So most traders, they get into a sell position innocently and they lose their funds. So here, this is how to counter that situation. You have the head and shoulder. So what I do, I connect the line, my head, my shoulders with a line, right? You need a straight line that is connecting the left shoulder to the right shoulder. And what are you waiting for? A break of that line, which is connecting the shoulders. Instead of taking the break of the neckline, we are taking the break of the line that is connecting the shoulders. And what's your TP? We are targeting the head. And this is a proven, powerful strategy. So
we have
run out of time.
You are done for. You are done for. You are done for. If you want more of this strategy, I guess you can only find it on one place, guys. This is Sage on the microphone. Only you can access through his YouTubes. Let me stop this, guys. Okay, I was saying that you can access his YouTube channel for this strategy. For more details of this strategy, guys. I hope that you've understood in this minute, 1 minute 30 seconds. I'm going to be making more of these videos. Sorry, he's going to be making more of these videos to give you guys. So for now, I can say, Captain Ray, let's go, Baba.
Let's go, Baba.